Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. For that, you need to hop into Messenger application. Make sure to sign in on your Messenger account. Then tap on the three-line icon which is at the upper left corner. So on this page, you need to tap on the gear icon on the upper right corner. Now scroll all the way down and you need to tap on privacy and safety, which is under preferences. When you scroll all the way down, you can see blocked accounts. Tap on it. On this page, you can simply find all the accounts that you have locked on Facebook Messenger. In order to unblock any people on Messenger, you can simply tap on their username and you can tap on unlock button, which is at the bottom of the screen. So now that person on Facebook Messenger has already been unlocked. So this is how you can easily unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Hope so you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so to never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.